guys, Adam here, and today I'm with Ryan, Luke and Paul. Okay, so now we're doing a woodwork challenge. Loser has to have
salt and milk.
Salt
I
and
hate milk! Milk! Salt and milk! Yes! Oh my god.
Okay, go.
No, it's not. Yeah! Oh!
Good, good.
I'm going for crossbar.
Are you?
Oh, stop, Luke.
No.
Snap. Hey, my god. Oh! Yeah! That was.
Luke.
Oh,
What
yeah.
It's Paul. It's Paul.
Oh.
1, go.
Ah! Yes!
Wide. Oh.
And today I'm going for the pocket. Oh! Keep going.
Luke.
Oh!
Wide! Wide! 2, 1.
No! It's it! Yeah!
I did good. So what do you do? The crossbar on the right?
Until it goes.
Yeah, so do I. Okay, here we go.
Stop, Luke.
Let's see if
You
you're...
go over there now. Yeah! Left. This has been on for 15 minutes. Oh.
Okay. Let's go. It's Paul to go. Wide! No, that didn't need it. That didn't need it. Two. It's stuck. It's stuck.
Go on. Left. Left. Yo. Yo. Wow. Oh.
Go. Hit the crossbar. You see the left or right? I see the left. What does Ryan have to? What does Ryan have to? What does Ryan have to, lads?
Oh, all three.
What?
Yeah.
Oh.
The salt and
And it's gone.
milk.
Yeah. What? Oh, he did.
Go. Adam's go. No.
Okay, it's Luke. Yeah. Left and right time. Where did he come from? Where did this? I think he went for the right and right bit. Okay, it's Paul. It's Paul go. Wide. Oh.
You going for the top. Yes, we're going.
Yeah. Wide. Okay, I go. Paul didn't record. It didn't count. Come on, like. Okay, who's gonna lose? Okay, it's Luke.
Go. Oh no!
That he did. Okay, what do you need to go for? You need to go for the right. You need to. Luke, what do you need to go for the right?
I could be gone.
What? Left foot.
No!
And you're going to score. Score. Come on. Scores! Bye every time. You win the crossbar point. It doesn't count. No, you didn't. No, you didn't. Luke, I'm already through. Rubbishness. Okay, it's Paul to go. Wide. Okay. Wide again. Go. Oh, that's way too near. Poor Luke. Okay. Well, I think you're having that drink.
Oh, I've got two, like.
Yeah, you You. Oh, hit him! Hit him!
Oh God!
Hit him in Arfa! Okay, go on.
So, can I hit any post? Yeah.
Okay, Luke, come on, just hit that post. Roll across the ground if you want to.
Oh, that was a... Oh,
Okay,
wait!
Luke. What's that? It's your girl!
Your guy!
Yeah, give! And it's your voice as well. Okay. Yeah! Luke through! It's the Paul and Ryan. It's this.
Almost. Yeah! No, it's fine. Oh, shit.
Okay, and it's going in.
Oh.
That's not just lots. That just spilled it all over the place. Who cares? Mixing the time. Okay, we got some water to fill up. Okay, he's starting. Go. Best of luck. That's enough. That's enough if you want to. You're both salted.
I'm not drinking that. I need water. I need water. Water. I need water. Oh, come on. Oh, I need water.
It's all over him. Thanks for watching this great video and goodbye.